Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My esteemed members of the House, my name is Honorable Sesi Hon Whigan, member representing the people of Badagry Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I am from Lagos State. I rise today to move a motion on unlawful road blockage, extortion, and harassment by security personnel on Lagos Agbara Badagry Seme Highway. Mr. Speaker, I will just proceed and read a paragraph then to my prayers. The House is further concerned that the harassment and extortion along Lagos Agbara Badagry Seme route will discourage tourists from visiting the area, which is a well-known tourist destination. To my prayers, the House resolves to urge the Nigerian Customs Service to enhance security on the Lagos Agbara Badagry Seme Highway and ensure strict implementation of laws, circulars, and guidelines for mounting checkpoints. This should include the removal of illegal roadblocks and prevention of new ones. 2, mandate the Committee on Customs and Excise and relevant agencies to identify root causes of illegal checkpoints in border communities and provide solutions to curb these illegal activities by security agencies. And lastly, also mandate the Committee on Legislative Compliance to ensure compliance. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.